Hello, well fans, and welcome to Wide World of Dual Trains. Today, we are building this RTA F40PH. So this is the new railroad over here, and here's what it looks like. So let's get right into the build now. For the first step right here, and let's make the plow. So let's take out these slip stairs. So let's have three rows of these stairs, and we want to attach that like this, and face that way, and then another way. And then let's take the stone brick slab with the coupler, and we want to attach that up, and then a sideways darker effects gate, just like this. And let's place these brick stairs facing forward like this, and we're also going to use some row of gray concrete. So let's grab gray concrete on the sides right here. We want to make that all the way across like here. Alright, so we want to make that middle section so that it's 26. So let's grab 24 blocks long. Alright, so we want to make that, so that's 24 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, like this. So we want 20, so that's 24 right here, like this. Once you have that, so let's grab gray concrete, and we want to make it 3 blocks wide like this. Alright, once you have that, so let's grab stone brick stairs, and we want to place side by side, facing outwards. And then take a stone brick slab to be the bottom, and we want to attach that up like this. And then let's grab stone brick slab to the sides right here, and then another coupler, so let's grab a double slab like this, into a block like this. Now let's make it 3 blocks wide using gray concrete. We want to have all the way across like this. Do the exact same thing right here. Add 3 blocks wide using gray concrete. Just like this. Once we have that, so let's grab some let's grab some wheels. So let's grab hoppers. So let's grab hopper. So let's grab 2 here, and then skip one edge, another pair like this, just like this, all the way across like that. Sure, looks like I get that gap right here, but you don't want to do that. So let's grab one across right here. So let's skip one and then add another pair like this. And we want to do the exact same thing on the side. Do the exact same thing. Add another row of hoppers, just like this. And then let's take a stone brick slab underneath those hoppers right there, just like this. And we want to make that outwards right here, because this is for the steps, just like this. And now let's go over here. So let's grab row gray concrete, and this is for the field tank. So let's grab 5, 6, just like this. And we want to have all the way across like that. And then let's grab 3 stone brick stairs. This. Yep. And then let's grab gray concrete in that. And then just like that. So let's grab gray concrete. And then let's take a stone brick slab to be that area like this. Should face this way like that. So so that's outwards in here. So we just destroy run it here, just like that. Now let's grab some stonework stairs to be the steps, like that. Once you have that, now let's go over here and let's grab the flooring. So let's grab some warped slab, which is blue. So let's grab over here. So let's grab all across. Use a row of warped slabs like this for the floorings. Just like this. Just like that. Now let's get started on the cabs. So first we can do the stripes here. So let's grab red concrete, white concrete. So let's grab some iron bars, windows. So let's grab black stained glass block, black stained glass pane. Just move this out the way. So let's grab Minecraft ladders. So let's grab, and then that's what we have for now over here. So we also need light blue concrete. Okay, so once we have that, so let's grab, make the stripes here. So let's grab, make those stripes here using white concrete. It's almost like an M shape here, and then yellow using red concrete like a W shape right here. And then let's grab some warped slabs on side by side like this. And then let's grab warped stairs. Let's grab warped stairs here. Another one, and then blue concrete here. Also we need glow idle frames, so we want to, don't forget this. So let's grab that. So let's grab right here, and then let's grab some row of light blue concrete right here. So let's grab all the way across like that, and then we want to leave this one right here. Now let's grab a row of black concrete. So let's grab black concrete. So let's grab black concrete right here, and then let's grab, we want to have by 1, 2, 3, 4, and then extending all the way up to the back except for this last slab like that. Do the exact same thing on the side, and do the exact same thing at row of black concrete like this. Once you have that, now let's take blue concrete, do the exact same thing right here, all the way across right here, just like that. And leave this tube right here except one for the rear like this. Then we want to have 5 blocks tall. We want to have 4 blocks tall like this. Once you have that, now let's grab red concrete. So let's grab red right here, skip one, and extending all the way up towards the back right here. It's set right where this we stop at there. This is for the black concretes, so we want to do the exact same thing like that. Now let's go over here. So let's grab some steps. So let's grab some smooth quartz stairs. So let's grab 1, 2, and let's place an iron door. And we want to do the exact same thing on that right here, and then red concrete on that. So let's grab another smooth quartz stairs here, and then light blue concrete all the way across like that, and then another red concrete all the way across like this. And then let's grab rows of iron door all the way across here. And let's grab light blue concrete here, just like that. Skip 2 and add 3, and skip 2, add 1 like this. Once you have that, now let's do the exact same thing right here. We want to do the exact same thing, add 1 right here, skip 2, add 3, and then like this. And then let's grab some windows. Let's grab a bowl of black stained glass block, and then light blue concrete up top like this. Just like this. And then let's grab black stained glass pane. And then let's grab another roll like this. So let's grab let's grab bedrock. So let's grab 2 bedrocks right here. And then let's grab one right across like this. And let's grab one right here and one on another. And do the exact same thing like this. And then let's grab some rows of warped stairs. So let's grab all the way across towards the back. Do that thing and inside. I have another row of warped stairs right here, just like that. Wow. Okay, so let's grab. Once we have that, now let's go over here and let's grab light blue concrete, and we want to make the whole entire roof of our RTA F40PH. And we want to do exactly over here, so let's don't forget that. And then extend it all the way across towards the front, like this. And then do exactly all across here, so let's grab all around using light blue concrete, just like that. Then let's take black concrete, 2 blocks tall like that. Should looks like this. Do exact same, should looks like that. Now let's go to the back and let's grab Minecraft ladders. So let's grab ladders here, and then we're going to destroy this one right here into iron door. Plus, we also need stone pressure plate. So let's grab stone pressure plate, and then let's add some fences. Let's grab fences right here. So I'm using fences right here. This is for the balcony or porch. And let's grab a row of birch fence gate. So let's grab birch fence gates for the headlights to the rear. And then let's grab iron trap doors. So let's grab iron trap doors, and we'll also need skeleton skull for the bell. So let's grab this block right here. So let's grab iron trap door over here, put the skeleton skull for the bell. And then let's grab rolls. So let's grab, matter of fact, I'm going to use warped slab. So let's grab warped slab right here, up top right here, like this. And let's go to the other side. We want to leave gap up 2 and place iron trap door. Skip 1, add 2. Skip 1, add 2. Skip 1, add 2. Like this. Once we have that, now let's grab some rows of birch sign. So let's grab another one right here. Alright, once you have that, now let's go to the other side and let's grab rows of signs again for the nipple plates like this. And then finally, so let's grab iron bars right here on the side where the window is at. And then let's take another one like this. And then do the other side. Do the exact same thing like that. Alright, so that is now, and let's grab some stone buttons for the dish lights right here. And then like that. Alright, so that is pretty much it on how to build this RTA F40PH. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have it, make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe for Abdullah trends on YouTube. So I'll be posting more videos in the future, and I will see you guys next time. So